Welcome to part 3 of our fertility series. In the previous episode, we explored why your body needs time and a gentle rebuild after first pregnancy before trying for another baby. Now we will focus on what truly happened after labor. How your system begins to renew itself, how each phase supports the next, and what you can do to guide that recovery naturally from inside out. In traditional Chinese medicine, after labor care is not just about rest. It's a structurally process of renewal. Rather than counting weeks, we look at rhythm, the natural sequence in which your energy, blood flow, and hormones find harmony again. At GinSen Clinics in Kensington and Chelsea, we work is rooted in this some philosophy supported the body's natural rhythm rather than facing results. For more than 25 years, all practitioners have combined acupuncture, Chinese herbal medicine, moxibustion, cupping, and nutrition therapy to help women recover after childbirth and preparation for healthy recovery for next conception in the future. Whether you're with us in London or connect online consultation, face-to-face to online in deep level, understand your body condition. Every planning is personalized, focused on restore balance, circulation, and inner warmth so recovery feels complete. The fourth phase recovery method generally take 1 to 12 months. As we learned in the early section, pregnancy and birth draw deeply on your body core energy, which is Chinese medicine called blood qi and yin and yang and jing, your deepest reproductive research. So even you feel fine on the outside, underneath your system still need a rebuild. This is why in Chinese medicine, we do not think in weeks or deadlines. We think in phase and properly. Picture your first year after birth and 4 gentle quarters, each with its own intention. Quarter 1 is 1 to 3 months. Rest, warmth, nourished food. Your job here is to recover, not perform. In TCM, we say in this time to seal the qi means protect inner energy and rebuild your blood. Keep things warm. Soap, straw, red dates, ginger, black sesame, and slow cooked meal. Avoid cold drink, overexhaustion, or long hours upright. You are refilling the tank after a marathon, not jump back into training. Second quarter is 3 to 6 months, rebuilding digestion, sleeping, and circulation. Now your system is work back up. The focus shift to strengthen the spleen and the stomach qi. Your digestive system need energize, need rebuild. Eat at a regular meal, more gentle. Think short walks, a few minutes of qigong, a light stretching, and the many ways you can do. If you can get 1 short nap in, even a power rest, that is good. You're teaching your body rhythm again and then rhythm water-regulated hormones. Quarter 3 is 6 to 9 months. Hormones rebuild up. This is when the body starts sensing properly again. Ovulation signs might return. Your cycle may become more regular. Libido may be slow pick up. From TCM view, English is your liver qi and blood find flow again. If cycles are still a bit irregular, this is when acupuncture and gentle herbals can really help to smooth things out. Emotionally, this is also the stage. Many women say, I'm starting to feel like myself again. Quarter 4 is 9 to 12 months. Readiness check. By this stage, your system should feel steadily, sleeping improved, energy strength, and the period looking more balanced. In TCM, we say your kidney gene, your core reproductive essence, has had it to recharge. That's your green light to think about baby number 2. Because now your foundation is strong enough to support another pregnancy in safely. Think of the first year as your recovery map, each quarter with its own focus on stage naturally leading to the next. So instead of asking, how long should I wait? Asking, which stage am I in right now? What I do next to help me recover? Listening to your body natural timeline, not the calendar. Especially your next pregnancy become calm, healthy, and a lot of less stressful. Stay is a balance. Your readiness checklist, when to try again and when to seek support. Before planning your next pregnancy, check these key areas, then tell you more than calendar ever could. Number 1, cycle, period length, ovulation signs, and the flu feel normal for you. Energy, daily energy is daily. You're sleeping at least 6 to 8 hours most night. Nutrition's iron, vitamins, B12, check with your GP or restore it. Lower body fear, cold hand, feet, or lower back pain have improved. Cramping or clotting are minimized. Mood, anxiety, or irritable is setting. Emotion fear balance. Partner health. Hormone analysis done early, simply no invasive, and save times. Lifestyle, regular meal, movement, and sleep patterns has stabilized for at least 4 to 8 weeks. If several of these still feeling out of synthetic, doesn't rush. Your body is still restoring. And if you are ever sure, it's worth checking it in a professional from our team. Not because something's wrong, but become early guidance, save times later. So if you're based in London, you're always welcome to visit us in person at our GinSen Clinic in Kensington and Chelsea. If you watch from outside London, you can also use the link in description for a free personalized email consultation with our GinSen expert team as your first step. All practitioners work one-to-one with women recovering after childbirth. Combine acupuncture, customized herbal formula, and nutrition guidance to help your body rebalance naturally. If this video helped you understand your body timeline for baby number 2, make sure to subscribe and return on notification. We share new guidance on fertility, hormones, or women's health every week. We will help you map your recovery and plan your next step safely, because fertility is not about racing the clock. It's about restore balance and trust in your body, nature, peace, confidence. Ready for next.